Hi, welcome back to Shotoku Tech. Yeah, I've been playing around with this DFRobot UNIHIKER K10. I actually got it a long time ago and unboxed it several months ago, but then I wanted to revisit it because it has a lot of powerful AI features. We see it's got facial recognition baked in my previous video. And I also developed a 3D printed case to protect the components because you're going to be handling the board a lot and I don't want to short it out. But what's really cool about the UNIHIKER products is they're extremely well documented by DFRobot. Yeah, UNIHIKER team docs here. And you see there's several supported programming interfaces, Mind Plus, Arduino IDE, Platform IO, and MicroPython. But it comes to mind before I start programming it, I really want to capture how it works out of the box. So let's go do that right now. All right, well, let's see what this can do out of the box. Of course, we recall it does do facial recognition quite well. Let's see. Yeah, it recognizes that guy anyway. Let's see what else we got here. Okay. Hi, Telly. Turn on the light. There we go. Turn off the light. Play animation. Play a game. Yeah, see, and this uses the accelerometer there. See if okay, I got a score, all right. Let's see what else. Yeah. Hi, Telly. Play music. Yeah, you have to put a file called music wave on the SD card here. Let's see. No. This actually works with the environmental sensors on the board somehow. I haven't figured that out yet, but it does respond to the humidity and temperature anyway, so that's interesting. Anyway, so, oh yeah, let's see, the last feature is a QR code to the docs, and there's extensive documentation, just like I said before. So there's a lot out of the box right here that's interesting to play with, so it's an interesting gadget. And of course, this is my 3D printed case. You'll check out my previous video about that if you're interested. Yeah, so now I'm going to get started with Mind Plus and check out the example programs there. The cool thing about Mind Plus is that section shows you how to restore it back to the factory settings. Yeah, see, yeah. Okay, there's the download, and it actually shows you how to restore the factory program right here. You know me, I like to, before I make a change to something, I like to know how to put it back. I think that's rather important. So stay tuned for the Mind Plus program examples on the UNIHIKER K10. Look for a link down below to the product page. Look for a link to my 3D printed case on Thingiverse. Give this video a like, leave a comment down below, and before you watch more of my UNIHIKER K10 videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.